Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is only 27% Waqf properties listed on Ummeed, under 1% in West Bengal. Now, low registration on Ummeed portal. Out of 8 lakh Waqf properties, only 2.16 lakh, which is 27%, are registered on the Ummeed portal. Around 10,876 registration applications were rejected out of 5.17 lakh submitted on the portal. Then let us talk about at 52,917. Karnataka managed to register the highest number of properties, which is 81%, followed by the Jammu and Kashmir with 25,046 properties, 77%, and Punjab with 24,969 properties, which is 90%, and Gujarat with 24,133 properties, which is 61%, according to the data from the portal. Now, the worst performing state is West Bengal, with registrations of just 716 properties being completed out of 80,480, which is 0.89% in the state. Now, see, we have already seen the state-wise performances. The worst performer is West Bengal. The political and administrative angle in this is that the West Bengal government had delayed implementation of the Waqf Amendment Act, finally issuing directions only last week. UP, which has 789 registrations for Shia board, which is 5%, and 12,982 on Sunni board, which is 11%. Maharashtra has 17,971 out of 36,700, which is 48%. Now, about Ummeed portal, let us talk about it was launched in June 6. This Ummeed portal was launched in June 6 under provision of the Contested Waqf Amendment Act, with the objective of bringing all Waqf properties under a centralized digital database with geotagging and documentation. Now, the objective was to create database of Waqf properties with geotagging, prevention of land encroachments, ensure transparency in leases, sale and management. Now, the caretaker challenges are mutawallis, which are the caretakers report. Here, the portal crashes, difficulty in uploading documents, hardship in finding legal papers, unaware among older caretakers, and the deadline or parodies are, the deadline was Saturday night. Now, again, this topic becomes very highly important for UPSC. How? Because it is a very important topic for GS paper 2, which is polity and governance, federal issues, transparency in public institution, minority welfare, and then GS paper 1 also it becomes very important, which is Indian society, relation to minority rights, social justice and community institutions. Then GS paper 3 it becomes very important, which is economy and infrastructure, and for GS paper 4 also it becomes very important for ethics, mismanagement of charitable assets, and transparency and accountability. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.